What's up guys, it's Fast Action Jax here at Panama City Beach Harley-Davidson. I want to let you guys know about this awesome promotion we're doing this month here at our dealership. We're doing free installation on Vance Hines Slip-ons. That's right, you heard me correct. We are doing free installation on all Vance Hines Slip-ons. So you guys out there that have been looking for the high outputs, the monster rounds, the monster ovals, black chrome, any Vance Hines Slip-ons that is available, order or in stock, we'll be doing free installation for the month of July. So come and see us. Come check out the awesome slip-ons we do have in stock. If we don't have them in stock, it take about 3 to 5 days to get them. No big deal. We'll get them on for free for you. So that's great. We got some chrome ones right here, some chrome with the black tip. They do come in black with chrome tip. They come in all black. They come in all chrome. They come black with chrome tip, so pretty much any variation for your motorcycle and to suit any style. So come in and see us, holler at some of our service riders, holler at one of our parts guys, and we'll get you taken care of. Remember guys, this is for the month of July. Thanks for watching. Have a rockin' Harley day.